विसोपरांत तुमकां परत फावट येवकार. मयेच्या मीन कंपन्यांनी दिल्ल्या देणग्यांचो कसलोच हिशोब पंचायतीन दवरूंक नाशिल्ल्यान ग्रामसभेंत आयतारा बरोच बोवाळ जालो. पंचायती कडेन हाचो सारकी जाप नाशिल्ली. हाका लागून ग्रामसभा बरीच तापली.
आयतारा मया ग्रामसभा जाली. खण कंपन्यांनी दिल्ल्या देणगेचो हिशोब, राष्ट्रीय रोजगार हमी येवजण तशेंच मये स्थलांतरीत मालमत्तेचो प्रश्न विधानसभेत सोडोवपा विशीं चर्चा करपा खातीर ही ग्रामसभा आपयल्ली. सुरवातीक खण कंपन्यांनी दिल्ल्या देणगेचो विशय आयलो. ताचेर पंचायती कडेन सारकी जाप नाशिल्ली. निमणे हो प्रश्न अर्द्यारूच उरलो.
तुम्ही आता हे सांगले की कोणी डोनेशन दिला तो आमच्याकडे रेकॉर्ड ना म्हणून ही व्हडली चूक केल्ल्यात आसा. तुम्ही जे 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 कंपनी आयज पासून दिल्ले आसा ते तुम्ही हांगासर स्पष्ट सांगात. आरोप करिना, डायरेक्ट आरोप करिना, संशय करता, आरोप करिना.
मयाच्या नामचो खबराकार उदय परब.
डेम्पोस स्पोर्ट्स क्लबान त्रिनिदाद आनी टोबॅगोच्या राष्ट्रीय फुटबॉल पंगडाचो कॅप्टन डेझिल थियोबाल्डाक घेतला. डेझिलान कालेदोनिया AIA पंगड सोडला. मजगतीं बॅटो धेंपो सोडून चर्चिलाक गेलो. ते सुवातेर मिडफिल्डर म्हणून धेंपोन डेझिलाक घेतला. तो त्रिनिदाद आनी टोबॅगोक 52 मॅची खेळ्ळा. हो सीझन गोंय आनी भारतीय फुटबॉलांत मोख जाणून घेवपा खातीर प्रुडंट डेझिलाक मेळ्ळें.
First of all, you're in Goa to play for Dempos Sports Club. How did the deal go through, and could you tell us a bit about that?
Yeah, well, the deal went through when the Indian national team came to Trinidad. You know, coach was impressed in my ability, and after the national World Cup qualifiers in September, was able to strike a deal with my manager. So I'm happy to be here.
What about TNT? Which club you used to play over there for, and what was the level of football that is played at in Trinidad and Tobago?
In Trinidad, it's a competitive league. I played back home with a team called Caledonia AIA. Okay. We play in the professional league of Trinidad and Tobago. Like I say, it's a competitive league, but I'm also grateful for the opportunity to come out here in India to play football as well.
Okay. Denzil, for the viewers of Goa and for the fans of Goa to know you a bit more, what position do you play?
I play a central midfield role, a bit of an organizer, great passer of the ball, okay. High work rate as well, work extremely hard, and I hope they look forward to some exciting football from us.
Okay. Denzil, there was a player called Beto, Roberto Mendes da Silva, who used to play for Dempo last season. He used to play in the role that you're going to be filling in now. That's the central midfield role. You know, he used to go up, attack with Ranti. So, is Denzil going to play a similar role? Sit with Ranti and Coco. Now you must have met them, I guess. So, are you going to play a similar role, sort of assisting them as well as taking care of the entire middle of the field?
Yeah, well, the guy Beto, he's his own player, and I'm my own player. You know what he brought to the team. Was good, but I come here with to play my football and to know and to play it how I know it as, and hopefully we'll be able to bring Dempo some success in the coming season. And like I say, playing with Ranti and Coco this morning, they're extremely talented players, and hopefully we can all contribute something in a positive way to help Dempo achieve a lot of success this season.
What about the climate here in Goa? It reminds you a little bit of West Indies?
Yeah, it's fantastic, just like West Indies.
Okay. And are you a big Bob Marley fan? Are you a big reggae music fan like the guys from the Caribbean are?
Yeah, I listen to all types of music, but back home we listen to soca, so okay. That's one of the most important things we listen to back home.
Soca is a very widely listened to music in Goa as well, so you will find yourself very home over here then.
Okay, thanks.
पणजेच्या आमचो खेळां खबराकार निखिल परेरा आणि चलचित्र खबराकार शान.
किंगफिशर प्रो लीग सर्तीन आयतारा सांजे सेजा फुटबॉल अकादमी आणि सांताक्रूज क्लब कावेलोसी मदली मॅच बादाबाद उरली. वास्कोच्या टिळक स्टेडियमाचेर जाल्ले हे मॅचींत एकूय गोल जालो ना.
निळे जर्सींतले सांताक्रूज क्लबान सुरवातीक सावन हे मॅचींत आपलो दरारो दवरिल्लो. गोल करपाक तांकां खूब संदी आशिल्ल्यो, पूण गोल मारपाक तांकां येस येवंक ना. कांय प्रमाणात नशिबानूय तांकां तेंको दिलो ना. सेजाकूय गोल करपाच्यो संदी आशिल्ल्यो, पूण तांचे यत्न फळाक आयले ना. सांताक्रूज क्लबाच्या मोंडे ऑग्बुजीक रेड कार्ड पडिल्ल्यान तांच्या पंगडाक कांय वेळ 10 खेळगडे घेवन खेळचे पडले. अशें आसूनय तांचो कोच बिबियानो फेर्नांडीस हे कामगिरीचेर खोशी आसा.
गोल तर मारना आमी जिखना. वी हॅव टू कन्वर्ट गोल्स. वी गॉट सो मेनी चान्सेस. इफ वी डोंट कन्वर्ट देन दिस इज अ रिजल्ट. गो होम विथ 1 पॉइंट.
आज कितें कॉम्बिनेशन कितें फॉरवर्डाचें आनी मिडल सेक्शन कितें खंय उणें पडलें?
नो कॉम्बिनेशन एक्चुअली आयज बरें जालां आमचे गेमीचे. मोस्ट ऑफ द गेम आमी डॉमिनेट केला मिडफिल्ड प्लस अटॅक बट ओनली थिंग दॅट लास्ट फिनिशिंग टच वॉज नॉट देयर.
आज तुमच्या प्लेयराक रेड कार्डूय दिला फुडल्या चेंजीसान कोण घे आसतलो तुमचो?
या दॅट इज अ लिटल बीट ड्रॉबॅक आमचो आनी आतां तो नासतना एक फॉरेन प्लेयर हेवता म्हणल्यार एक एडवांटेज घे आसता टिमीक सोदां बट देर इज प्लेयर्स हू कॅन रिप्लेस.
गोल मारपाक अपेस येता म्हणून सेजाचो तंत्रीक संचालक क्लिफर्ड चुकुमा मातसो बेजार आसा.
Actually, the boys have been putting a lot of effort. I'm impressed the way they are playing, but that final touch is still missing. We are still working on it. Our finishing is still not good enough. So I think overall performance is impressive.
For next match, any changes will be done for this forward line or back line?
Yeah, definitely. We are. If you look at our team list for the past 3 games, there have been a lot of changes in the attack, in the forward line, because still that combination we are still not getting it right. Hopefully, we'll get it right in next match.
वास्कोच्यान आमचो खबराकार सुरेंद्र मडकयकार.
आणि इतल्यान हे खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.